Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I went and picked up 3 does today. I was going to get 4, but these does had escaped, and they had to catch every one of them. And these people went through. There was about 8 people looking to catch these does. And my old self, I wasn't going to get out there because that's all I needed to get out there and have a heart attack. And I got this younger doe, but they've been running around for a couple of weeks. The white doe in the back feels like she's pregnant. I don't know if a wild rabbit got with her or what the deal is, but I'm thinking she's got babies in her. So I've got to build some nest boxes and figure this out. But I like this front doe. She's pretty and she's got a good size to her, and I'm looking for size and some nice does. So I'm fixing to spread these out and we'll see if we can mate them. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.